Hi guys. This is the Princess Prado channel. On a Prado 120, how many notches should you return the brake shoe adjuster to set the parking brake shoe clearance correctly? According to the Toyota manual that you can find in the video description, to adjust the parking brake shoe clearance, temporarily install the hub nuts. Turn the adjuster and expand the shoes until the disc locks. Contract the shoe adjuster until the disc can rotate smoothly. Standard return is 8 notches. Check the shoe has no brake drag. Thanks for watching. Bye.